Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and today I'm going to talk to you about Osmosis Skincare has 4 wonderful products for blemish-prone skin. And I'm so happy to bring them to you. I sell them on my website. You can buy them all together in a set, or you can buy them individually. They're made for those of you that have blemish-prone skins and different issues with that. And each one offers something different for your skin, and they're fabulous. And I know Dr. Johnson is very concerned about blemish-prone skin and bringing you the right products for you. So he's worked on this for a long time. There's one product that's been in the line for a long time here, Clarify. It's a vitamin A serum. It helps to normalize oil production, and it's healing, and you can even use it as a spot treatment. This is a great product for you to have at all times. This is their new product, Balance. Is it detoxifies, heals, and purifies. It's a mist, and it brings a lot of comfort to the skin, and it's a key product too that you want to have. They have 2 other mists with the line, but this one again is geared towards balancing the skin for your acne-prone issues. And then we have Accelerate, which is an advanced spot treatment. This one has niacinamide, charcoal, and beta-glucan in it. Great ingredients. And you can spot treat on, when you get those pimples that just show up out of nowhere. It helps it really heal fast. And it's all healthy ingredients. So you're not going to have any after irritation where, from some of the products that you see out there that just, you put it on a blemish and the next day it's worse than ever. This one is just fabulous. And then the last one is Extract, and it's a charcoal mask. And this is so good. Just cleans out the pores. It's great on the face. So I would use this, and then you could use some of the Balance after you rinse it off, or any of the other products. But these are all on my website, and I have it listed below. And you can use my code SAVE for your discount for my customers. And if you have any questions, I want you to either send me an email, or you can call me on my toll-free number, and I'm always happy to help you. And again, the blemish-prone products from Osmosis. Thank you. Bye.